Introducing the NETGEAR 5-port Multi-Gigabit Unmanaged Switch, MS105, a cost-effective solution to expand your network with blazing fast multi-gigabit speeds. Featuring 5 multi-gigabit 2.5 gig Ethernet ports for faster connections and increased productivity. All contained in a small, energy-efficient, fanless, built-to-last metal case with flexible mounting options. You can simply place the switch on a desk or mount it to a wall. Easy per-port monitoring with LEDs for port activity and speed, 802.1p traffic prioritization, and jumbo frame support allow for seamless integration with more sophisticated networks. Plus, setup is easy with automatic connectivity to your router or modem. No need for an IT expert or a complicated user manual. Just plug and play. Go beyond 1 gigabit and beat Ethernet overload at an affordable price. The NETGEAR 5-port Multi-Gigabit Unmanaged Switch, MS105.